What's up guys, Wilson here with our latest project vlog, and behind me is a brand new Porsche GT4 RS that we just completed with a full body PPF installation and spectral photosync IRD tint. So for this vlog, what we're going to focus on is this car, a brand new Spyder RS, and the color is gentian blue. What we'll be doing to this one is very similar to the one behind me in that we are going to be protecting nearly every single panel on this car with ClearGuard Alpha G2 PPF. This is the latest in PPF technology with the best gloss, hydrophobicity, and the best clarity so it doesn't distort the paint color on here. If you've seen any of our GT4 RS projects, you know how this is going to be done. We're going to get the wash going, move it in so that you could see the entire process, and at the very end, check out the final results. Alright guys, another Spyder RS completed. So for the rest of this video, I'm going to take you on a walk around and show you the final results and give you a closer look at the work that was done on here. So as mentioned before, the GT4 RS is very similar to this one with the exception of a few panels. So all of the panels that were difficult on that car are all the same ones that are difficult on this car. So let's start with the hood. On the hood, around the NACA ducts, we wrap the film and tuck it into these crevice areas so that you don't get the seam sitting on the outside and collecting dirt over time. It just looks so much better that way, and all the leading edges are protected from debris that would normally hit it if it was not done this way. Over the hood crest sticker, we filmed right over that so that maintenance becomes that much easier, and when the owner is washing the cars, he doesn't have to worry about catching the edges with their microfiber towels. On the front fenders, this is a one-piece installation, custom installed just like every single panel on this car, and all of the work that we do here is 100% custom. If you take a closer look around the louvers over here, we bring the film right up to the panel edge as close as possible so you don't see any discernible seams around that area. By doing that way, we eliminate the chance of dirt collecting on those seams over time. All the corners and edges are wrapped the same way, and behind the front tires over here, again, this is done one piece without any relief openings or joining seams down over here. It maximizes protection, and at the request of the owner, we even doubled up on this inner arch area to give it optimal protection. Now on the GT4 RS, just like this car, the most difficult panel is the front bumper, and the reason for that are these louvers. These stick out and have a lot of empty space in here, and for that reason this gets in the way of installation most of the time. And as you can see, we did this nonetheless as a one-piece installation without the normal joining seam that would be right over here if this was a pre-cut template. All the leading edges are wrapped all the way to the panel edge so that you don't get any gappage and allow dirt and debris to hit it and damage over time. Inside these areas, we tuck the film all the way in there as well so that we're getting, again, optimal protection without all the seams that would normally be around. We do all of that without having to remove the front bumper or remove these pieces. And again, it just makes it that much better looking and aesthetically pleasing when we're able to do custom installations. Now, let's come around and take a look at some of the side and rear panels. On the door over here, you see that there is that yellow Spyder RS decal. We filmed right over the door, right over those decals. And the reason why we do that is that it gives it protection. It gives a sticker protection, and at the same time, when the owner is washing the car, he doesn't have to worry about wiping the towels right over these and potentially picking up those corners and just tearing the stickers right off. Now, one more panel I want to show you is this right over here. The carbon fiber upper intakes right over here, we filmed those again at the request of the owner. And apparently for the Spyder RSs, a lot of owners are complaining that while they're putting on the roof or removing it, this piece tends to get scratched up pretty badly. So having that done really solves that issue. Now, as you can see, the film that we use here, as I mentioned before, is ClearGuard Alpha G2, the latest of the ClearGuard Alpha line of PPF. This is the best gloss, best optical clarity, the most hydrophobic and self-healing PPF in this industry. The previous film, in our opinion, was already the best, and they were able to improve upon that, and the results that you're looking at right now really shows why we use this film here exclusively. So guys, I want to thank you for watching another one of our videos, and until our next one, please stay tuned, give this video a like, and I'll see you soon.